Well, hello everybody and welcome to another video on the bike, and today we're on the V-Strom 1050 DE, and today I want to talk to you about Motorcycle Live 2024, which I'll be going to on the Monday the 18th. So if you are going, let us know below. Do come and say hello if you do see me. So I thought do a little video chatting about what I want to see at Motorcycle Live, because why do we go to Motorcycle Live? We go to Motorcycle Live to have a great day out with motorbikes, chat with like-minded people. I've got a really itchy nose, it's driving me crazy. Chat with like-minded people, see the new models, and generally have a mooch. And let's face it, the things like this are slowly dying with the presence of online and YouTube and things like that, so I like to go to it while I can. Busy night tonight. I'm just trying to get a video in. Really difficult these days with the light fading, so this is a rare opportunity with the sunshine out. Blue sky, it's been so dull. I think the Motorcycle Live gets a bit of a bad rap because it's quite pricey, isn't it? Let's face it, you're basically paying to go to a big advertisement. It should technically be free. The food is incredibly expensive. The parking's expensive. I think the parking for the day is nearly £20, which is ridiculous, but hey ho. If you want to park close to the NEC, that's what you've got to do. And the NEC is a huge, absolutely huge centre up in Birmingham, which is used for exhibitions and such like, and events and stuff like that, and it's all been geared up and designed around just literally exhibition stuff. It's the most kind of central place in the UK, and it's massive. Well, it's pretty massive, I think. Probably not as massive as other places around the world, but it's still pretty massive, and I imagine it takes quite a lot of money to run it, but it is too expensive to go for a massive advert. So the first bikes, this is in no particular order, this is just what I fancy going to see, and I don't just go to the Motorcycle Live to see motorbikes. We go to Motorcycle Live, like I said, have a mingle, meet people, chit and chat, generally have a bit of a laugh and exhaust our need to see motorcycles, especially as the season is just coming to an end now, especially in the UK being November. Oh, you silly git. So basically we're looking at what bikes are going to be for next year, and the ones I'm particularly interested in seeing, just having a sit on and a chat with the people that are there, are the new CB1000, the new Hornet. I really want to see that, purely because it's in a good price range. I think that Honda have definitely got the right idea with that price bracket. I want to see it, I want to see what it feels like to sit on. You know, I'm a 6'6" guy. Generally motorbikes don't fit me very well. It'll be interesting to see what a naked 1000 like that from Honda has to offer. So it'll be interesting, because you see pictures, but there's nothing like actually seeing the thing in the flesh, is there? Now, interestingly, over the last, I would say, 10 years, it hasn't just been the Japanese bikes, has it, and the American field, and even some of the British. It's been Chinese, and the Chinese manufacturers now are big players in the market. And last year, when I went, there was a lot of Chinese manufacturers putting up some really good show, actually. And so I will be keen to see the Vogue 900DS, which almost looks like a copycat of what BMW have to offer, but of course much cheaper. It even shares the BMW 900 or the 850 engine, I believe. It comes from the similar source. So really interested to see that and see what that feels like under my backside. I think under 9 was just over 9 grand, isn't it, for this bike with everything on it. is a really amazing price bracket, isn't it? So we'll be interested to see what that looks like in the flesh and what the finish feels like. And by all means, from other YouTubers that have had a chance to ride it, pretty good. So yeah, definitely be interested to see that. And another one I want to see, I'm not massively keen on them, but I appreciate them, is the BMWs. I really want to see the new GSA because I keep looking at it and it just looks like a box on wheels to me. So again, when you see something in the flesh, it's definitely different, isn't it? It feels better, you can see it, you can feel it. So I want to see the GSA. I want to see what that looks like and feels like to be have it underneath your bum as well. But obviously it's completely at my price range, so I'm never going to have one, but I'd just like to go and see them and touch them and feel them. There's not much on the market from Suzuki apart from DRZs. They brought them back after I think it was a 20 odd year, 15 year break or something like that. So they're now back on the market and they look absolutely cool, really cool. So I'll really will be interested to see what they feel like and look like, because they were a really cool bike when they were about, and I think Suzuki are reading the market well with re-releasing those. So yeah, well, good chance to have a good look at them. And the Suzuki stand's always good, and it's nice now that I've got the 1050D to be able to chat to the people and stand and talk to them about it. So yeah, I'll be looking forward to seeing those. And going back to Honda, they've obviously got the new CRF 300 that's come out as well, the Rally. Again, looks very different, lots more plastic. So that'll be interesting to see what that feels like. Obviously being a CRF 250 owner previously, the CRF 250 Rally, it will be interesting to see what they've come up with for the 300 again. And not only that, you just want to go and see what innovations there are as well. Like there's lots of little small manufacturers that come up around that have different ideas and different things for motorbikes. So going to see those really opens up your eyes. But overall, I can't wait. This year we're going, me and my wife together. She's going to be my camera lady, which so hoping to get some really nice shots this year. I did a video for 2022 and I did a video for 2023. They both came out really well, got good, received really well as well, so I think I'll do another video this year as well. So it's exciting. And of course Sarah, my wife, who's coming with me, she's got much more of an understanding now for bikes. She's always liked bikes, but she gets them now a little bit more now that she's riding one. So it'd be interesting to sort of get her views as a lady rider on some of the bikes as well. Can't wait. Anyway, on that note, I think I'll leave it there, people. Like I said, if you're going to the show and you'll be there at the same time as me, do let me know. If you're going to the show and you're not going at the same time as me, let me know in the comments below. Give me a like if you have done so already. Give me a subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Tom CC. See you later.